Hello guys, in new video about ENJIN. ENJIN coin was at $0.579274 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 3.85%. 7 days prior, on May 7, ENJ was esteemed at $1.049134, and that really intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0%. A month prior, on April 14, the market member laid out the cost of ENJIN coin at $1.59. Subsequently, the coin has made a 54.72% move to arrive at its current standings. Recently, on May 13, ENJ had a market capitalization of $514,152,428. Keep going week. On May 7, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $929,270,266. A month prior, on April 14, the market worth of ENJIN coin was surveyed to be $1,390,581,873. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ENJ arrived at the place of $190,850 when 793. Recently, on May 13, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $264,477,657. 7 days prior, on May 7, how much ENJ that was traded between market members was assessed at $136,334,399. Finally, the circling supply is utilized to work out the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the general measure of ENJ that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly put unavailable for general use for reasons unknown. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a flowing stock between 60 million and 150 million are the most appropriate for long-haul venture, since they are probably going to appreciate in esteem throughout a lengthy time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. At this crossroads, ENJIN coin has a circling supply of 889,481,956 coins. Once more, we are back with one more extraordinary snippet of data around one of the most moving cryptographic forms of money on the lookout. Further in this video, you will find out about ENJ price prediction and significantly more data that will be useful for beginners. Thusly, day-to-day numerous tokens or coins come in the moving area because of some significant value development or weighty purchasing. Today, ENJIN coin is a symbolic that involves the top situation on the lookout for benefit gainers. Digital currency is as of now a gigantic stage where great many financial backers put away their cash to procure a tremendous measure of benefit. There are a great deal of coins and tokens that permit financial backers to create a gain on their ventures. The manner in which the market works is special and changes a great deal consistently. Allow us likewise to let you know that ENJIN coin is a venture of ENJIN, an organization that gives an environment of interconnected blockchain-based gaming items. ENJIN's lead offering is ENJIN Network, a social gaming stage through which clients can fabricate sites and groups, visit, and host virtual thing stores. ENJIN empowers game designers to tokenize in-game things on the Ethereum blockchain. It utilizes the ERC20 token, ENJIN coin, to help advanced resources appropriated utilizing its foundation, meaning products can be purchased, sold, and exchanged with genuine worth. ENJIN coin, ENJ, price forecast May 2022. For May, the cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to arrive at a typical month-to-month furthest reaches of 61 cents, while the coin will exchange between a limit of 63 cents and at least 56 cents. ENJIN coin price prediction June 2022. The cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to reach at least worth of 61 cents in 2022. The ENJ cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 66 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 64 cents, all through 2022. ENJ price forecast July 2022. In July 2022, the cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to be at around a base worth of 64 cents. The ENJIN coin value worth can arrive at a limit of 69 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of 66 cents. In United States dollars ENJ price forecast August 2022. In August 2022, the cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to be at around a base worth of 66 cents. The ENJIN coin value worth can arrive at a limit of 73 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of 68 cents in United States dollars. ENJIN coin, ENJ, price prediction September 2022. As for September 2022, ENJIN coin cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of 67 cents. The ENJ cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of 76 cents, with a typical gauge cost of 70 cents. ENJ price forecast October 2022. In October 2022, the cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to be at around a base worth of 70 cents. The ENJIN coin value worth can arrive at a limit of 79 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of 73 cents in United States dollars. ENJIN coin price prediction November 2022. The cost of ENJIN coin is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 72 cents in 2022. The ENJ cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 82 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 75 cents, all through 2022. ENJ price forecast December 2022. In December 2022, the cost of ENJIN coin is estimated to be at around a base worth of 73 cents. The ENJIN coin value worth can arrive at a limit of 85 cents, with a typical exchanging worth of 76 cents in United States dollars. However, the brilliant rule of fruitful putting resources into crypto is never to be hesitant to apply risk the executives in light of the fact that, in such an unstable climate, the main thing keeps the financial backer above water and doesn't permit one's portfolio to get through huge misfortunes. Along these lines, aside from depending on our expert ENJIN coin cost forecast, it's significant to grasp where and when to leave the position and have stop misfortune set up consistently. ENJ price prediction. Allow me additionally to let you know that it is actually quite intriguing to perceive how far the coin will go to its top from here on out. Nonetheless, nobody can determine what levels the symbolic will contact. The symbolic's ticker image is ENJ, and the ongoing exchanging cost is $3.43. Presently, here we are giving ENJIN coin cost forecast in which we are covering the next few years till 2026. Consequently, it will be valuable for everybody to figure out how much possible the symbolic holds from now on. ENJ price prediction 2022. In the year 2022, crypto will most likely arrive at an undeniable cost mark before the year's over. Allow us to let you know that as per the unequaled cost graph, the token is as of now declining. In the event that we discuss a one-day cost transform, today is showing an immense leap. Indeed, the coin experienced another horrible drop yesterday and is covering the hole with an enormous leap today. The assessed cost of ENJ in the year 2022 is $5.34. Where to buy ENJIN coin? This is quite possibly the most conspicuous inquiry posed by financial backers. Everybody needs to be aware in which trades financial backers can purchase this token. In this way, you can purchase ENJIN coin, ENJ tokens at Binance, OKEx, CoinTiger, Huobi Global, and FTX. Is ENJIN coin scam crypto? This term is an exceptionally large and fundamental part since, supposing that we reference that it is a trick, then the majority of the financial backers won't put resources into it. In any case, let us clear to you that ENJIN coin, ENJ, isn't a trick. Indeed, you can put resources into this astounding token without a second thought. Which wallet upholds ENJIN coin? There are numerous wallets where we can hold our tokens. Indeed, you will get a scope of choices to hold your ENJIN coin, ENJ, in which ledger, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, and Atomic Wallet. What is the future potential of ENJIN coin? The finish of this token obviously expresses that it will be truly invigorating to find out how much the coin will turn out up. The symbolic will be useful for all merchants hoping to put resources into a spot where you will get genuine returns. Subsequently, ENJIN coin (ENJ) price prediction is given here, which assists everybody with understanding how productive the symbolic will be for the financial backers. In this way, you simply have to remain associated with us to realize more subtleties connected with moving cryptographic forms of money.